Have you ever wondered why do railways has so many stones, and what makes these stones so important? These crushed stones are called track ballast, and no matter where you are in the world, the stones look almost identical, jagged, rough-edged, and designed for a purpose. Track ballast holds the sleepers firmly in place, preventing them from moving under the heavy loads of trains. Without it, the sleepers might shift or get damaged over time. Trains are incredibly heavy, and the jagged ballast stones interlock to evenly spread this load across the track bed, keeping the rails steady under massive pressure. Track ballast also absorbs vibrations from moving trains, providing a smoother, more comfortable ride for passengers. During heavy rains, ballast prevents water from accumulating on the tracks, which helps avoid rust and keeps the rails in good condition. Vegetation near tracks can weaken their structure. The stones in the ballast keep weeds and plants from taking root, preserving the strength of the railway. Track ballast absorbs noise, making trains quieter for people nearby. Without it, moving trains would be noticeably louder. During hot weather, metal tracks expand. Track ballast helps control this expansion, maintaining track safety and effectiveness. But these stones don't just sit there forever. Over time, dirt and mud can clog the ballast, reducing its effectiveness. That's why railways use ballast cleaners and replace stones as needed. It's amazing how these simple, jagged stones form the backbone of an industry that connects millions of people every day. Next time you see those stones along the tracks, remember, they're doing a lot more than meets the eye. Subscribe for more.